Hey, what's up everyone? Got some new parts. Just doing some basic maintenance to the Honda. Things that, little things. Always little things that you need to get done to kind of make it perfect. So, been waiting for this part for about 2.5 months. Not even lying, you know what's going on. It took about 2.5 months for this part to get to me from China. So let's hop right into it. First things first. My mom's friend actually makes masks. So you guys know I'm a Steelers fan. Got custom Steelers mask as well as Ninja Turtles. My brother is a huge Ninja Turtles fan. You're gonna see the custom Ninja Turtle room that we're putting together a little bit later. But if you guys are looking for any type of custom mask or team or anything like that, hit me up. Can make any graphic you want from anime to sports teams, as you can see, etc. Anywho, so we got these tools right here. This is the part I've been waiting for about, like I said, 2.5 months here. So we'll hop right onto this part. Something I need to get for a while. There you guys go. It is a custom steering wheel emblem. Step out the light right there. You can see it's all black with the red H, the exact opposite of the one I have. The actual Type R one is, as you guys know, all red with this being silver. So I wanted something different. Obviously to match with the black and red theme I got going on. Again, this took about 2.5 months to get here, so glad it's finally here. I have to pry, hence the tools are here. I have to pry off the old one. The old one was cracked anyways after 2 years of sitting, the car being built, so it's time to swap it out. These aren't hard to replace or put on. Again, I don't know how much of a pain it's going to be to take out the old one because it's been on there for such a long time, but we'll get it off. And then right here is something that we all need to invest in. It's only $27 shipped. You can get that with one hand. We'll see. Hey, you guys can kind of see. Got the tool on the side. Pull this off right here. There you guys go. You can kind of see me doing everything one-handed. Pretty difficult. I got some more stuff inside here. There we go. More pry tools. Already got some a while ago, but here's some more. You can always use more. And as you can see right here, bam. These are pop rivet clips. There are different types of clips that you use for cars. Most famous one is that one. You guys know that one right there. Anytime you pop out pop rivets or you work on your cars, you guys know these things break all the time, and dealership charges you outrageous prices for these things. I got a whole kit for various different types of pop rivets for $27. It's going on eBay. So I think it's the clip I'm going to need right here for the fender wells of the car. As you can see, some of the fender lining came down. That could be what's rubbing, so we need to use some of these to push that back up. That's TLC, as well as replace the damaged cracked steering wheel emblem. Again, it's all just general TLC. And here's a pry tool. You guys wanting the tool you're actually supposed to use to get these pop rivets out. Never had any of this stuff. I always had these, obviously, but never had the pop rivet tool. So I just decided to get it all in one kit. So I really wanted to get that one anyway to replace the pop rivets missing at the Honda from all the times it's been taken apart for all the mods and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. My biggest thing is I want to install this emblem and put some of these pop rivets in today. And again, if you guys are interested in any custom mask, these are, as you can see, these are nicely made. It is bendable right here for your nose, the nose bridge. If you guys want any custom masks, just let me know. Let's head out to the car. Let's throw this. Again, quick, simple, easy install. But again, it's always the little things that make your car stand out and look really good. So let's head out to the car. Let's throw this stuff on and check out the new look. Alright, we're here. What I'm talking about. If you take a look, like right here, pop rivet came out. Just putting the stuff like that in here on both sides. Again, and then of course the trunk line pop rivets like that. So I'll need to pull the car out to do that. I'll probably just do that like tomorrow. But I really just want to get this steering wheel emblem on. So let's hop in the car real quick. Alright, inside the car, here's what I'm talking about. The steering wheel emblem right here. Let's check the size of it. There's actually two different sizes. You see it's cracked like right there. So there's an old one right here. There's a new one. Good enough. Perfect fit. There's two different sizes, so if you guys are wondering, it is the smaller size. What does it say on here, the size I got? I got the 50 by 40 mm, so you can get that size and that should be perfectly fine to cover, as you can clearly see, cover it up. Cool, that's gonna look really good once it's in there. Alright, so basically all I'm gonna do I'm gonna tape around here, that way I don't scarf this bag. I'm just gonna pick a corner. I may not even need to do that. I could pry that with my finger like right now, see that? So let's just do that. I was thinking this was gonna be a pain. I was gonna need the tape. Bam, there we go. That's simple, okay. That's what the original Honda Civic looks like. That's the new one looks like. So I guess I could say this. Awesome, okay. That came off a lot easier than I thought it was going to. Alright, so now I'm going to take the alcohol I bought. Wipe this down so it sticks around here. So it'll stick really good. And then I'm going to stick the new one on. Shouldn't need a tutorial on this, but just so you know, pour the alcohol on the rug, the cloth, whatever you want to use. Right down the area from which you want to stick, because again, alcohol helps the adhesive on the 3M stick, if you guys are wondering. So I'm going to do is clean this H right here really good. You guys can see. Alright, nice and slick. And then apply, peel off the backing off of that, and just apply it on top of it. As you can see, once you get it on there really good, the light on it, you want to push it, hold it down. There's plastic that comes on top of this if you guys are worried about it. As you can see, that I'm going to peel off. I'm going to hold it down for a little bit on the corners. It should help it stick. And again, you want to clean the surface before you do this. So if you don't clean the surface, it's not going to stick really well, as you would do with anything that you're trying to stick on your car. Alright. Shake it. Good to go. Awesome. Simple install. So I thought that was going to be a little bit more difficult, but it really wasn't. So I guess I'm going to, before it rains, always go ahead and pull the car outside, because I do got to turn the wheels left and right to get these pop rivets in. So here you guys go, so you guys can see. There's the old one, there's the new one. Old and new. And again, that was cracked a little bit. Again, this thing's been on here for like 2+ years. I suppose one could sand it down. I mean, it's pretty deep, and it's inside the resin. One could sand it down. I don't know if I want to throw this in the trash. I mean, I would just throw it in the trash. I mean, I'm sure you could sand it down to where it's cracked at and get rid of it and re-clear the resin or whatever you want, but I don't think it's worth it. This thing was only $25, but again, I had to wait 2.5 months for it, so I'll give or take. I actually liked it a lot better. Now it's kind of custom, because it's kind of type R-ish, and I don't have a type R, so I like that. Cool. Alright, let's pull the car real quick and put some pop rivets in these fender wheels. Alright, crank it up. You guys been watching this, guys. I'm gonna crank it up, heating up, everything's still perfect as usual. Okay, let's go ahead and head outside. Let's get these lights off. Let's go ahead and head outside right fast. We can throw these pop rivets on. That turned out way better, way good. Boosted. I'm just trying to head outside so I can get some light, so I can turn the wheel left and right. Put this down. Alright, to outside. Alright, that should be enough. Again, just turn the wheel so I can get easier pop rivet in right there. So it's that type of rivet. Let's go grab our kit out right quick. Like I said, it should be this one right here. CO5. CO5 should be the one that we're looking for. These are actually screw-in type ones, huh? Definitely say that. Get all different types of rivets. That one looks hella aggressive. I think it's gonna be this one, or that one's a little too small. This long one or this one right here. Don't have a Phillips here. I think just push in, but let's see. That's a lot smaller than. Hell, that's a lot smaller. That looks more like this top one up here. Looks more like this one, honestly, but that's hella big. Let's try. As you can see, there we go, a lot better. It's actually this one right here, a small screw. That's the one that's putting it right there. So we're going to turn the wheel to the other side. You can see, trying to use one hand and sticking it through the hole. Bring it to that hole, pushing it flat, pushing the screw right in there, pop it in there, and that holds it. Might be a smaller one. I'll get the other one to get the idea. There we go. Got to tighten it just a little. Excuse me, correction, sorry about that, guys. Wrong size. It's this size right here, this one right here, which is the C36. That's the one that Honda uses, this one. So that's why it's kind of loose. So swap it out with this one. But I've got two different sizes just in case. Always awesome to see you play caliper setup. 1 second. There again. Sorry about that, guys. Enough right there. Flat. Flat. Put it in. Bam. There you go. Now it's tight. See? There you go. And could put one up there, but that's already popped in there pretty good. Alright, cool. And the back one's finalized in there. But there you go. That makes it a lot better versus it hanging down with that little gap. Alright, cool. That was a quick project. Alright, so again, I might add more to this video. Oh, might not. That went awesome. I love the easy, quick stuff. Now it looks a lot better. I don't have a little tab hanging right there, so I'm gonna go for a short drive. Sure, might still be rubbing a little bit, but that's gonna help out. Let's see. Hey, what's up? What's in the car? I'm actually gonna head back out to PRT Performance because I'm getting an issue with my True Boost controller. I reviewed the issue online. People haven't really answered it. Another issue has something to do with the boost control cylinder not getting power. But let me show you what I'm talking about here. See that right there? Error 5. Love it. So basically, it's not safe to boost or anything, obviously, because it's aired out. There's usually a connection issue somehow. So we're gonna go to at the PRT, let them look at it, and get this wiring fixed up so we can boost again. Kind of an annoying problem, but we'll see. They fixed it before. That was the problem before. If you guys remember, I got tuned the last time. So we're gonna head out there, let them look at it, get it fixed up, so we can go get back to boosting. So I'm gonna save you guys out the driving and until we get out there. But like tied together somehow. Yeah, but I don't know how they wired it because I dropped the car off.
No, Let me grab some wire.
Don't you like the easy jobs? You put so much time in this car.
My wiring wasn't wrong.
Dude, I was about to say, man, I didn't want to flame you on the video, man. But I'm like, man, my boy Anders done did a lot of work. See, what happened was, honestly, Auto Science put the car together, right? Yep. And they've been maintaining it. So any little stuff, I got new pulleys, I got new this, I got the gauge, they just add.
Yeah,
you know, because obviously, so obviously I got to get tuned, you know, getting retuned is right here, obviously. Auto Science did the base, they put everything together, he's been maintaining it. So I'm like, the little things go wrong, you wired it at this, so you tell me, you asking me a question, I can't answer. I don't know, I wasn't here when you wired that shit. Yep. I had no clue, so I figured it might be something basic, but again, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm leaving work, I'm getting error 5, I'm like, I know it'd be dumb to go boost even 2 pounds, because I don't know if people, I could be 7 or 8, I don't know.
Exactly, put a bigger fuse in there.
Cool, there you go.
That's me back in the Springs.
You know what I want to do? I want to take a ride in that Miata.
Oh, it's fun, man.
I just want to be in a boosted Miata. I've never been in a boosted one.
Oh, it's so much fun. It changes everything about the car.
Oh yeah, of course. The car is like slow as ball sweat.
Exactly.
And then once you boost it, and obviously, you know, you're pushing it to a different level.
Yeah, exactly.
That's badass though, man.
Yep, thanks.
You don't see too many actual boost Miata. What's up, Steve?
Not found it. Beat on the problem. Yeah, so that's my manifold that I had custom made.
This fuses. Yeah. That looks like the manifold that people use for like T4s.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, very similar. We did a different design to begin with, but we were cracking welds. just because my vibrating 4-cylinder.
You can weld?
A little bit. The shop I used to work at, UPP, they did all the work on the car.
So a little bit, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
I made I had to show you my Evo engine.
Yeah.
I had a guy that I met was a welder, and I had them. I wanted to keep the stock frame turbo on there, right?
Yep.
But then we know here in Texas we have FP Performance, and they pioneered the new FP Black, Blue, all that shit.
Yep.
FP Black is comparable to the A5 82, right?
Yep.
So I was like one of the first ones to get one, but the stock frame.
Yep.
But I'm like, hey, I want to make an actual tubular manifold to take advantage of it.
Yep.
So I met this guy, and he made me one, right?
Yeah.
I came up with the design. He just created.
Yep.
Called it the Mona Lisa. I posted it online on the Evo forums, right? That shit blew up.
Oh, I
People were
bet.
like, oh, stock frame?
Yep.
Because the only option was for my, no.
No.
Off. Oh, yeah, they were.
Flashed on.
They're off.
Flashed
They're
on.
flashing.
They're on now.
Push this, no, I got these push.
Off.
Yeah.
On.
Yeah, it's lit up.
Yeah.
Push it off, right? That should be on. They on?
Off.
That's it backwards.
Now they're on.
Is the button, is the button too loose?
Now they're on. Now they're on.
Yeah, it's not holding the button down.
Man, how many pop this out, push it back, push it forward, so.
Off right now, right?
Yeah, they're off. Just flashing on.
Yeah.
Flash, flash.
Yeah. So the fog lights are just because they're not.
On.
They're on, right?
Yep.
I think it's the spring of the button.
I got new button at the house.
Yeah, so just change the button for the fog lights.
On.
So if you push,
Okay, push it hard.
no, if you push right on this angle here, it keeps it in.
Oh, okay, I see what you're saying.
There.
I just swapped it out with the other button, but at least it works now.
Yeah, it works.
So I wonder if the two obviously were tied together. Had something
Yeah,
to do with
they're in the
both.
same.
They used the antifreeze that I had originally. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That I originally wired the fog lights, and then you used that to wire to get the power to that.
Because that's the corrosion on the fuse. That's what it should.
So what's corrosion?
So this is what a fuse should look like here. This is the corrosion on the fuse. You see how it's
Holy
all dark?
shit! How'd that happen? Probably just not big enough.
Just not big enough. Yeah,
That's
put a bigger
corrosion.
fuse.
Corrosion. Simple. Thank God.
I was about to say my wire.
That's it. Thank God. Thank God. I don't need a 3-hour wiring job. Thank God. So I love the simple stuff. Thank
So you're good to go, Anders?
Yeah, it's just the AM boosted on that.
Alright, cool. Thank God. I love the easy stuff, man.
Yeah.
I like this car's been running like a champion since they come back. No issues, no problems, or anything with it. Just like I said, I just know better. I've been around too many performance because I know better. I can't read the boost. I can't read numbers.
Yep.
Stop.
Exactly.
Don't even play with that shit. That's another blowing motor. I don't need another one.
Yep.
Oh, that.
Hey, at least you're smart enough to realize that. Some kids aren't.
You know, I've been around these shops for a while now, so.
Yep.
All right, hope you guys appreciate that. Thanks, PRT Performance. We're gonna be back. We had a nice conversation about duty cycles, so I can make more boost out there. So I need to contact TSI so I can see what springs in my turbo kit. So we might be able to turn it up and get that power required. I also fixed my fog lights. Basically what the problem was in my case was I had to add a fuse. They wired it to the add a fuse, and the fuses were too small. That's why I was getting the error message. So we increased the size of the fuse, problem solved, and I also solved the problem with the fog lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably end this video. I'm gonna go get some food and etc. before I have to go to work, man. So if you guys have any questions, please click and like, subscribe. If you guys want to see anything, comment below. See you guys next video. Peace. Alright, this wiring, fog lights now work. Yeah, now it's spectacular. Wash, clean fashion. Love when this thing's clean. I haven't washed this thing since for a while. Actually, washed the Z's I washed and waxed up. I'll show you that. Washed this after coming back from PRT. I'm so glad the gauge is working and we got the fog lights working. It looks so much better when it's washed. Of course, let's head out, get some food.